Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a chest pattern, and at the same time you're going to learn how to change the colors and how to kind of make it really easy to crochet and change the colors as well. So you don't need to cut off the any yarn on the sides, because it gets really difficult when you do that. So we need a hook and two colors, different colors completely, so you can take white and black, or as me, I took beige and brown, dark brown. And so I'm starting with dark brown yarn, and I'm crocheting with hook 2mm. And I start with the chains, so I make like 25 chains. Doesn't really matter how much you make, but well, as much as you need for your project. So with this project you can make bags or a lot of different stuff that you would want to make. So I'm starting with probably 22 chains, and then I'm adding already this next color. So I'm just kind of will crochet with it on my chains. So as you can see, I put my white beige yarn kind of on my chains, and now I'm making 4 or 5 single crochets. It really depends on how you want your chest pattern to be in size. So I wanted to make 4 single crochets, and now I'm not crocheting my last 4th single crochets till the end. I'm crocheting only halfway, and then I change the color to the beige, and now I'm crocheting a few single crochets, so 4 for me, 4 single crochets with my brown yarn. As you can see, I put it along the chains, and actually I make 5 single crochets, and I'm not crocheting 5/5 single crochet all the way, but only halfway, and then I change the color to the brown. And now I'm crocheting again 5 single crochets with the brown yarn, and then my 5th single crochets, and I'm crocheting like I'm only crocheting it halfway, and then I change the color to the beige, and then I'm doing like this till the end of my row. So if you're doing 5 single crochets for your color, for each of your color, you should make probably 25, 30, 10, 15, kind of like this number. And don't forget about your chain up. Of course, if you're crocheting 25 chains, you should make 26 chains, because one chain is for going up. Remember that. And yeah, I will meet you when I'm done with this row.
И вот мы довязали до конца ряда. Вот такой вот аккуратный ряд.
That's what it should look like. It looks really perfect in the front and in the back. And now I'm going to make my second row, which I'm starting with my previous color, which is beige, and I'm making my 5 single crochets with the beige color on the beige color, and then I'm just following my pattern. And now from now on I'm making a few rows with the same kind of pattern. I'm making brown single crochets on brown stitches from the last row, and same for beige. I'm making beige stitches to the stitches from the last row. And as you remember how we changed the color and how we crochet with our second yarn, second color, just moving it through all the things. And I crochet probably also like 5 or 4 rows, just to make it to look like a square. And now it will be a little bit different. So for my last, when I'm finished with my kind of square from the last row, I'm changing my color to the beige. And now from now on from this row, I'm going to make my beige color on my brown color from the last row. So I'm making beige stitches, beige single crochets on the brown stitches from the last row, as you can see. And that's probably all for it. And when I'm going to change this color to the brown, I'm going to crochet brown single crochets on the beige stitches from the last row. And that's all. And don't forget about our second color, so we should go always with it. And if you think that your project is gonna be really thick, it's not really gonna be thick. Just try it. If you won't like this kind of pattern, you can do not do it, but that's the only way how to do it really easy, because if you will have to change your color and cut the yarn every single time, it's going to be really difficult for you just to think about it. So this is the easiest way how to make a chest pattern, how to make a chest design, and that's basically it. It's really easy. It's not really difficult. It's actually a basic thing that you have to know, and you can use it for a lot of projects. Yes, it will take some time, because always when you change the yarn, when you change the colors, it always takes time for you. But for this cool result, I would actually try to make something like this. And now speed up, I'm crocheting all this. It took me probably 20 minutes to crochet all this, or maybe more than that. And yeah, I'm a fast crocheter, so I don't know how it would be for you. It would probably took, like my piece would probably took for you maybe an hour, or maybe less, I don't know. Just try. If you won't like it, write me in a comment what do you think about this design, and do you find it useful, and follow my channel, like this video if you liked it, and that's all for today. So see you in my next videos.